In this video, I'm going to show you how to use OneDrive step by step so you can store files online, access them from anywhere, share them easily, and keep everything synced across your devices. OneDrive is one of the simplest cloud storage tools for Windows, Microsoft 365, and everyday file backup. And once you know the basics, it becomes a huge time saver. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go to the OneDrive website and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you already use Outlook, Hotmail, or Xbox, you may already have a Microsoft account ready to go. Just enter your email address and password, then complete any security verification if prompted. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your OneDrive dashboard. This is your main storage area where all your files and folders are organized. If you've never used OneDrive before, don't worry, the layout is straightforward and easy to learn. To add files, look for the upload button. Click it and you'll usually see options to upload files or folders. If you want to save a single document, photo or video, choose File. If you want to upload an entire folder at once, choose Folder. Then select what you want from your computer and wait for the upload to finish. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. After uploading, you can open My Files to view everything stored in your account. This is where you'll find your documents, images, videos, and folders. You can click any file to open it, preview it, or work on it if it's a Microsoft Office file. Now let's talk about creating new files directly in OneDrive. Click the New button and you can create a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, or PowerPoint presentation online. This is very useful if you want to start a project without installing extra software. OneDrive lets you create and save files in the cloud right away, so your work is available from any device. If you need to organize your files, OneDrive makes that easy too. You can right-click on a file or folder to see options like Rename, Move, Download, or Delete. Renaming helps you keep things clear. Moving files helps you sort them into folders. Downloading saves a copy to your device, and deleting removes items you no longer need. Sharing files is one of the best features in OneDrive. To share something, right-click the file and choose Share, or click the Share option when the file is open. You can generate a link and send it to someone by email, message, or chat. Depending on your settings, you can allow people to view or edit the file. This is great for teamwork, school projects, business documents, or sending large files without attaching them to an email. Another important thing to know is that OneDrive syncs automatically across devices signed into the same account. That means if you upload a file on your laptop, you can open it later on your phone, tablet, or another computer. Any changes you make are updated across your account, which makes OneDrive super convenient for keeping your files current everywhere. As you use OneDrive more, you'll probably start building folders for different types of files like work, school, photos, and personal documents. Staying organized from the beginning will make it much easier to find things later. And that's the basics of how to use OneDrive. You now know how to sign in, upload files and folders, open My Files, create new documents online, manage files with right-click options, share links, and let OneDrive sync everything automatically across devices. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.